Tired of sitting on your stuffed carry-on, trying to close it? Paying extra fees for bags that are too heavy, watching other travelers walk easily with small bags, or having to leave stuff behind at the airport, it's the worst. Want to know how to fit everything you need in one small bag without the stress? Packing smart means more money in your wallet and less headaches at the airport. Today we're showing you the 8 biggest mistakes filling up your carry-on and easy fixes that will make your next trip so much better. Number 8. Too many, just-in-case items. Do you pack extra stuff just in case and then never use it on your trip? Those extra shoes and that fancy outfit are eating up your space. A 2024 study by Travel Plus Leisure found that most people use only 60 to 70% of what they pack. That means 3 out of every 10 items in your bag are just going for a ride. The just-in-case items are the biggest space wasters. That extra sweater for cold weather, the dress, shoes you might wear to nice dinner, or the 3rd pair of jeans. These items add weight and take up room you could use for souvenirs. Here's what works better. Pack only for the plans you already have, not for what-if situations. Check the weather forecast for your destination and pack exactly for those conditions. Make a list of each day's activities and pick clothes just for those. An insider trick from flight attendants who pack for a living: take a picture of what you actually used on your last trip. Before your next trip, look at those pictures to remind yourself what you really need. Most hotels have umbrellas, hair dryers, and irons you can use for free. Leave those bulky items at home. But wait until you hear about the clothing mistake almost everyone makes. Number 7. Folding instead of rolling. Have you ever noticed how much empty space is left in your bag when clothes are folded flat? According to packing experts at Consumer Reports, rolling your clothes can save up to 50% of space compared to folding. Plus, rolling helps prevent those annoying wrinkles because there are fewer hard creases in the fabric. Here's why it works. Rolling squeezes out extra air between fabric layers and makes each item more compact. Start with wrinkle-resistant fabrics like cotton blends, polyester, and nylon. Lay shirts face down, fold in the sleeves, and roll from bottom to top. For pants, fold in half lengthwise and roll from the waist down. Try this clever trick. Roll similar items together, like short-sleeve shirts in one bundle and underwear in another. Then use rubber bands to keep each bundle tight. This makes finding things easier without digging through your whole bag. For extra space saving, try the Ranger Roll method used by military members. Fold the bottom inch of the shirt up, fold in the sleeves, roll tightly from the collar down. Then tuck the rolled shirt into that folded up hem. This creates a secure, compact bundle that won't unroll in your bag. Speaking of organization, there's a big mistake happening with your toiletries. Number 6. Toiletry takeover. Are those big shampoo bottles and tubes hogging all the space in your bag? According to a 2024 American Express travel survey, toiletries typically take up 20 to 25% of carry-on space, but most of them go unused. Hotels provide shampoo, conditioner, and soap, yet people still pack full-size bottles. Here's why smaller works better. Travel-size containers not only save space, but they also meet TSA's 3.4-ounce liquid rule. No more throwing away half-full bottles at security. Start by checking what your hotel actually offers before packing duplicates. Try this game-changing trick. Switch to solid toiletries. Solid shampoo bars last up to 80 washes, equal to 3 bottles of liquid shampoo, and don't count as liquids in your carry-on. The same goes for solid deodorant, toothpaste tablets, and lotion bars. Imagine walking through security without having to pull out that liquid bag while others scramble to find theirs. You'll glide through the checkpoint organized and stress-free, your toiletry kit taking half the space it used to. When you reach your hotel room, you'll unpack quickly instead of wrestling with leaky bottles and messy spills. But there's another sneaky space thief hiding in your bag. Number 5. Too many gadgets and chargers. How much time do you waste untangling cords and searching for the right charger? A 2024 study by Consumer Technology Association found that the average traveler carries 4 electronic devices, each with its own bulky charger. That's about 15% of your bag space gone. Here's why streamlining works. Each unnecessary gadget adds weight and takes up precious room. Ask yourself, do you really need a laptop, tablet, e-reader, and a smartphone? Most newer smartphones can do almost everything. Try this amazing hack from frequent business travelers. Use a short 3-in-1 charging cable that works with different devices. These cables have multiple tips: USB-C, Lightning, micro USB, on one cord and take up the space of just one regular charger. Even better, a single 20W wall adapter can charge multiple devices. Picture yourself at the airport cafe, with just one small charger powering your phone while others scramble with tangled wire nests and bulging tech pouches. You'll feel light and organized, moving quickly through security without unpacking multiple electronics while having all the tech you actually need. This next mistake is costing you big time with the airlines. Number 4. Ignoring airline size limits. Did you know that airline carry-on rules can be totally different depending on which airline you fly? According to a 2024 study by Luggage, over 30% of travelers face unexpected bag fees at the gate because they didn't check the size limits beforehand. These surprise fees can cost up to $100. Here's why knowing the rules works. Each airline sets their own size limits. Budget airlines like Spirit and Frontier have much smaller limits, 18 by 14 by 8 inches, than major carriers like Delta or United, 22 by 14 by 9 inches. Measure your bag at home, including wheels and handles, which many people forget to count. Try this insider trick used by flight crews. Take a screenshot of your airline's baggage policy before your trip. If there's ever a dispute at the gate, you can show exactly what the rules were when you booked. Imagine walking confidently to your gate, your perfectly sized bag rolling smoothly behind you, while others frantically repack or pay hefty fees. You'll feel prepared and worry-free, knowing your bag will fit easily in the overhead bin. But whatever you do, don't measure your bag without including the wheels and handles. This mistake causes most of the headaches at the gate. But there's a simple trick to make any bag feel bigger. Number 3. Not using compression bags. Have you ever wondered how flight attendants fit everything they need for a week in one small roller bag? According to a 2024 survey by Consumer Reports, compression bags can reduce clothing volume by up to 80%. Yet most travelers don't use them because they think they need a vacuum. Here's why compression works. These special bags push extra air out from between clothing fibers, making everything smaller without reducing what you bring. The newest bags don't even need a vacuum. Just roll them to push air out through a one-way valve. Try this flight attendant trick. Use compression bags for soft items like clothes, but keep structured items like shoes outside the bags. Pack the compressed bags at the bottom of your suitcase and put harder items on top to maintain your bag's shape. You'll feel like a packing wizard when you unzip your small carry-on at the hotel and pull out enough clothes for a week-long trip. While others struggle with bulging bags, you'll have extra space for souvenirs on the way home. But whatever you do, don't overstuff compression bags until they're rock hard. This common mistake makes your clothes super wrinkled and can even break the bag's seals. The next mistake is especially common with family travelers. Number 2. Packing bulky items instead of wearing them. Have you ever struggled to fit that puffy jacket or those chunky boots in your tiny carry-on? According to travel experts at National Geographic, wearing your bulkiest items instead of packing them can free up nearly 25% of your bag space. That's like getting a quarter of your suitcase back for free. Here's why it works. Planes are usually cold anyway, so wearing layers makes sense. Plus, items worn on your body don't count toward your luggage allowance or size limits. The heaviest items in most bags are shoes, jackets, and sweaters, exactly what you can wear while traveling. Try this smart trick from seasoned travelers. Layer up with your heaviest items, boots, jacket, sweater, for boarding. Then remove layers once seated and use your jacket as a pillow or blanket during the flight. You'll feel like a travel genius walking onto the plane wearing your bulkiest clothes, knowing your bag is now light enough to lift easily into the overhead bin. While others struggle with overweight bags, you'll be comfortable and organized. But whatever you do, don't wear so many layers that you're sweating in the terminal. This common mistake makes the whole journey uncomfortable and you'll regret it. And now for the number 1 reason your carry-on is always full. Number 1. No outfit planning. Do you open your suitcase at your destination only to realize nothing goes together? According to a 2024 study in Travel Plus Leisure magazine, outfit planning can reduce what you pack by up to 40%. Yet most people just throw in random favorite clothes without thinking about how they'll combine. Here's why planning works. When clothes mix and match, you need fewer total pieces. Pick a color scheme where everything goes with everything else. The travel industry standard is the 5-4-3-2-1 rule. 5 pairs of socks/underwear, for tops, 3 bottoms, 2 pairs of shoes, and 1 jacket. Try this genius hack from fashion experts. Take phone photos of complete outfits laid out on your bed before packing. This creates a travel lookbook so you remember exactly how things go together and don't pack extras just in case. You'll feel confident and put together at your destination, pulling out perfectly coordinated outfits while others dig through wrinkled clothes trying to find something that matches. Your mornings will be stress-free with decisions already made. But whatever you do, don't pick high-maintenance fabrics that wrinkle easily or require special cleaning. This mistake turns your well-planned wardrobe into a wrinkled mess. There you have it. 8 reasons your carry-on is always full and how to fix them. Which tip will you try on your next trip? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more travel hacks, and we'll see you in the next video. These packing tricks will save you money and stress and make traveling so much easier. Hit subscribe now for more game-changing travel tips that will transform how you explore the world. Drop a comment below with which tip you're trying on your next trip.